how to get to Chrome password manager, or how you can find your save password in your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use your Chrome password manager, or how you can save it, or how you can find out your save password in your browser. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here we are, this is my browser, you can see. And in order to find our password manager, just click on three dot, go to the settings. In settings you have to find the autofills. You will see the password option, click on it, and here you can see your all saved password. And if you want to view it, want to see your saved password, if you want to see your saved password, just click on this eye icon. After that, maybe Chrome will ask you your computer password, your screen password, or window password. Then you have to enter your window password, then this password will be visible. Okay, so you have to click on this eye icon, then you have to enter your window password. Then if your window has password, then you have to enter the window password, then your password will be open here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.